Alright, right now we have the Archangle 1022. This is a conversion kit. You can get it online, or maybe a local gun store will have it. I had to find it online. About $132 out the door. That's excluding the sights. You need the Supreme Deluxe package, which you're looking at about almost $200 after taxes. I got my sights myself, $89. They were on sale at Gander Mountain. It was worth it to me. You know, saved a little money and, you know, just added on down the road. These sights are probably the best sights I've ever had. Nice. Foldable sights. Just click a button. Ready to go. Put her up in the closet. She's not going to get hurt. And she's accurate. She's not going to move around. Then we're going to come with a bandana. I said that shit again. Oh shit. A bayonet. I'm sorry, this is a bayonet. Oh man. And
Somehow you painted that front sight though.
Painted the front sight white. That was my option. White fingernail polish. Oil base. It's the way to go. Ain't coming off at all. It's really good. Gets a little dark out. Then you got your options. Got your fold down peep sight. When you're pine beating, it gets a little darker and you can't see. Just like shooting a compound bow. You got your windage left or right, up and down right here. This gun will hold a 50 round drum or a 30 round. Got my factory 10 round from the 1022. If you ever get a magazine for the 1022, you better get the metal. If you get the plastic, you're wasting your time. You just bought a piece of shit. Better get that metal magazine. Way to go. And this is a 1022 converted. You got adjustable stock. You got a little hiding spot in there. Really nice gun. We had it on a laser. See it up there? Get the little coyotes running around here. You open the window and go to town on his ass. Bayonet. Real easy to come off. If you don't like carrying a bayonet around, it's a really nice gun. It probably took me about 15 minutes tops to put this together. Wasn't bad at all. The only thing you'll have to modify is putting this piece on the barrel. There's a pin that goes on right here. Closer up. Archangle 5.56. It's a regular 1022 modification. There's that little pin I was talking about right there. Got 6 position stock.